Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. Thomas here, and in today's video I will show you how to be a profitable trader during this bull market. So let's get right into it. Yes guys, so as we are now here in the middle, somewhere in the middle of the bull run, and Bitcoin is near its all-time high, Ethereum is 25% up within the last 7 days, XRP is booming, BNB booming, Solana will boom soon. You are probably wondering how to make money efficiently and without huge risks. So I will show you how I trade this during this bull market and how you can probably do that too. All you gotta need is a Discord account and a Hyperliquid account, and just some time to spend on the research, but it's pretty simple, so I will just now show you how I do that. So the first step would be to create a Hyperliquid account. I'm gonna drop you my referral link under this video in the comment section, and you will receive some discounts on the fees on the platform, so it's better to use it. All we have to do is now to connect through our Rebbe wallet or MetaMask. I will just use MetaMask. You can simply connect, and you will have to fund your account. Probably the best way to fund it is through Arbitrum stablecoin USDC. You will simply go to deposit, Arbitrum USDC. You will type the amount, and you got to deposit USDC. So you already need to have USDC on your Arbitrum MetaMask wallet, and you will simply deposit. Since I have already done that, I can show you my portfolio that I'm not full of shit and I can really trade during this bull market. As you can see here, the history of my account, when I go to the value, I have deposited, when was it? July 4th. Does it make sense? Yeah. Basically 2 weeks ago or almost 3 weeks ago, I have deposited $5,000, and now my total balance on this account is over 10,000. So I have doubled my money within the last 2 weeks, and as we can see here in the trade history, I have done it on these trades. You can see the P&L right here. Some of the trades are not profitable, but I have put in a tight stop loss, so whenever I'm down around 10%, my trades will just close, or I can monitor it myself and I will close these trades. I was mainly trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, and PUMP, also Hype, and the metrics I'm using, they are pretty simple. I'm just following the smart money. So the people that are successful in trading, it's pretty good to follow their steps. It's not wise to do it on small market caps, but on coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hype, where is enough liquidity, you can be pretty much on the same entries as they are. And all I do is on the second step, that's why I told you will need a Discord account, and it's right here. The group is called CoinSense, and what they do, they are following and not copy trading, but they are following the blockchain and finding over, I believe, 3,000 smart money wallets and some key opinion leaders, aka calls, and they give calls on what these wallets are doing. So you can either buy the premium access and get the full access to this Discord channel, or you can use the free versions within this Discord channel and just get some of these alerts for free. As you can see here, alerts free, but all I'm using now these days to trade is this CAX data on Vault section. And as you can see here, they have created an address that is basically following all these smart money wallets, and they are doing trades just like they do. They have allocated, I believe, around 5,000 US dollars on this address, and they are already up around 50%. and every hour, so as you can see here at 9 p.m. they shared a structure an hour ago as well, and every hour they are sharing the ideal portfolio positioning. So all I do is I just open the image, I check the number one coin, which is hype. I can see that they are long in it, so they are bullish, and I can see the size of the funds within this wallet. So out of these $7,600, 1,300 is allocated on hype within a long position. So what I would do, I would just go to the history and I will check what size have been here before 1 hour ago. And as I can see here, 1 hour ago they were trading 30 hype tokens, and now they are trading 29 of them. So they have kind of closed partially the long position, and I know that it's still pretty solid to hold hype token within the long position. Ethereum as well, they have opened a long and they are holding this size. So you can compare the previous stats and just trade accordingly to this data, and every hour you get a new update of this of the positioning of these wallets, and you can open trades accordingly to this data. Also, you can use this sex alerts, and you can see sometimes some of these tokens that are kind of bullish. You can see that they were trading Link, and two smart money wallets have two smart money wallets has longed Link token, so they were bullish on Link. And as you can see, usually this is around 2 or 3 smart money wallets, but when there is higher number than 5, maybe even 7, it's pretty good sign that they are bullish on Ethereum. Like 1648 they were bullish on ETH, and that was the time when Ethereum pumped pretty well. So let's get back to the Hyperliquid, and you can see also my positions here. So now I'm in 2 trades. One of them is hype, which is a 10x long. I'm already 72% up. Also, the second position is pump, and I'm short in pump, and I'm already 31% in profits. I will still hold on these positions until further notice, and we can, let's say, for example, I will start to trade USDC now, just to show you how to really do that. All I do is I just follow the RSI, and if the RSI is low, I will open the trade. So all I do is to follow the smart money wallets, what they do within the Discord. I'm gonna drop you the link to the Discord under the video as well, so you can join and use these free calls. And then I only added the RSI function, which you can do that here in indicators. You're gonna type in RSI, the relative strength index. It's gonna drop up for you here. I can now close this one. Yeah, and whenever I check the 5-minute chart, 1-hour chart, and the daily chart, on 1 hour it was oversold sometimes ago, and it was good time to sell. And whenever it is within this section, it's kind of safer to open the trade. I would not enter the trade anytime when on 1 hour or 5-minute chart the RSI is on top. I would only do it, the lower the better. And on the daily it's kind of different, because the daily is, once we are in a bull market, the daily can stay here for days and weeks on the oversold section, but we don't really care about that because we are following the 1-hour chart and 5 minutes chart. If you are a scalper and you want to do quick trades, it's always good to buy when the RSI is low, and just have your stop loss tight. I'm gonna show you how you can set up the stop loss. What I also always do is I put the margin to isolate it, because if you have cross margin open, it can destroy all your portfolio if there is a margin call on your one position. So the liquidity price, the liquidation price, sorry, with cross would be much lower, as we can see here. Let me put it to cross, open trade on the market, let's say 25%, and as you can see here, the liquidation price, since I'm risking my whole portfolio, which is currently almost $11,000, and if Ethereum would go down to $535, my whole portfolio would get liquidated. I don't want that. I only want to risk the amount I'm now willing to trade with. So I'm gonna go to isolated. Here I can choose the leverage. It's up to 25 on Ethereum. On Bitcoin you can trade up to with 40x leverage, but I'm gonna keep it not so risky with 10x leverage, and all I will do, the margin required, this is the amount what I'll be trading with, and since it's 10x leverage, you can see the other value is 10 times more the margin required. Once I will open this trade, or I can do it here, you can you can set up your take price either with gains. So let's say you are aiming for 50% gain, and you can see that once the price of Ethereum will hit $3,960, this trade will get closed automatically, or I will set up the stop loss to 10%, since I don't want to risk my whole portfolio, or neither this $850. So what I would do is I would just put it to 10%, and whenever the price of Ethereum drops below $3,735, this trade will be closed, and I will lose only 10% out of $850, which is $85, which I'm okay to take the risk for the gains of 50% when Ethereum will hit almost $4,000. There will be a huge resistance on the 4,000 on Ethereum, so we can expect some volatility, and also I would probably open some shorts if we cannot go over $4,050 within the first hour once we get there. And then after all this is set up, you can simply click place order, buy long, and I'm now in a long position, as you can see here on Ethereum. You can check your PNL here. You can decide to close the trade right here. You can click market. You can choose just partial close, or you can close the whole trade with 100% and just market close it. I believe I have covered everything, so let's just do some quick summary. I will check the RSI if it's not oversold. If it's the lower the better. If it's within this middle section, it's kind of safe to buy, but I need to verify on the Discord of CoinSense if the wallet is kind of bullish on these coins, and I always check all these coins if there are some new positions that looks kind of bullish or bearish, so I can long them or short them. And as you can see, once again on my portfolio, these trades has been winning for me only, and I have doubled my stack with low risks within the last 2 weeks. So if you like this video, let me know in the comment section. If you have more questions, just drop them down below. I will be responding to all of them, and good luck. Just keep your stop losses tight. Don't lose money, because this is still a volatile market, and I'm just here showing how I trade. So if you don't like leverage trading, just stay away with it and just stay on spot trading, and you can make money over there as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye.